Alright everyone, thanks for joining in the break tonight. It's the 13-14 Panini Dominion. The last team that ended tonight was the Winnipeg Jets, March 9th at 9:29. Box serial number is 206677095. And the current time is Sunday, March 9th at 10:26. (206677095) is a sealed box. First card for the Anaheim Ducks, the base card, number 19 of 299, Jakob Silfverberg, the Ducks. Private signings for Detroit Red Wings, Peter Mrazek, it's numbered 61 of 199. Autograph rookie patch for the Edmonton Oilers, number 72 of 299, Mark Arcobello. Mark Arcobello for the Oilers. And we have rookie patches, autographs. For the Edmonton Oilers, Neil Yakupov, number 12 of 99, two color. Yakupov. We have Showcase. And it is number 29 of 50. And it's for LA, Tyler Toffoli, and for the Islanders, Brock Nelson. So that one will have to be randomized between LA and, who was it? The Islanders. And we finish off with a base card for the Vancouver Canucks, Henrik Sedin, number 53 of 299. So, thanks again, guys. There's a case break of this on capercards.com. It'll be going on Thursday night. Whatever teams aren't sold, I'll put in a 24-hour auction starting on Wednesday night. And there's newly posted tonight, there's a case break of Totally Certified. So you can check that out if you're interested. Let me get the random going here. LA and the Islanders. Kings. Once, twice, 3 times, Kings. So that card does go to LA. So once again, thanks for joining in. Have a good night, everyone. Thanks.